Hey up guys, so straight in now, we've got the hats, and as you can see I've got the saturator and the EQ. I'm sculpting out every sound now. We've got it on the hats, we've got it on the rim, okay, and we've got reverb as well, so we're just getting extra distortion, power, extra energy on that very first bit of channel. Right, that's my reverb channel there. I've done the same thing to the reverb channel guys. EQ, then saturate, drive saturate, creative EQ. Okay, you're going to maximise the amount of energy in each sound. Now I've got the gate on here. I've grouped the kick and snare, and then I've grouped the hats, and I'm gating the kick and snare to the hats. Then I've grouped the groups, Command and G to group, and then we've got these from tape plugin. Now this is Air Windows free plugins. Type Air Windows in Google. Really good free plugins, those ones guys. Now I've got the multiband compression on the drum group now, just to try and tighten it up. Got a quick attack, fairly quick attack and quick release, because I'm trying to grip the sound and tighten it up a lot. I've got these risers in. All these risers are from the free sample pack, bassuptv.com. And in with the Phaseplant, I'm going for 2 analogues. We've got one sine wave and one saw wave. I've turned the saw wave down a little bit, just so it meshes in, and then add the distortion and drive both of them things. Then at the bottom here we've got the note, we've got a standard LFO, and like we do in Serum, we're going to apply the note. We're just messing with the legato first, the speed of it. We've got those higher notes, so the longer milliseconds, the slower your bass is going to move there. So just find out what you like. Now the note, we've stuck it to the LFO rate, and then we've stuck the LFO on the drive, giving that wobbling effect. Now when we pick our root note as D sharp, because I think we was in E, similar or close to your root note, what your root note being. You're looking for slow woods at the bottom, fast woods at the higher pitch, because we're recreating that Reece bass sound, okay? Now I've created another analog at the bottom without an envelope, and I've just sent it through. Click this button here and you send it to the phase point. Add a few extra tones in there. And we're going to look at the 808 bass shortly. This one. Just messing with the semitones there. And then I've got some effects in lane 1. Now we're going to open up the next Phaseplant, because we're going to choose sine waves and a saw again. So we're doing the same thing, level down on the saw, cushion it with that sine wave, and this time envelope on the master tune there, just about 2 semitones, and we're looking for just a slight pitch glide to start out the sound, and then a bunch of filters and distortion. So we'll get the MIDI note typed in, going for E, octaves down, shifting down to do the octaves down. And you can hear that's quite subtle. Command and 3 when you're in your hi-hat MIDI pattern, and it'll give you the triplet grid. Gives you that sort of, not a swing feel, but it's just a rolling pirate dubstep feel. Got the fallback distortion now, because I'm just looking for some mid-tones for the 808. So just distortion fillers for this one. Got the presets available, links down below. Free samples also available. Been working with Phaseplant the last few days. Getting more and more into it. I'm going to be working with it quite a lot recently. I'm going to be dropping some of the January presets very shortly, maybe today. basically distortion, filters, pitch bend. That's all that's going on. And I think we've got one more. Good, nice and good long. Good, so the Reece MIDI pattern is all over the place, but as you can see, not the best beat in the world, but hopefully this will help you with your Phaseplant synthesis. Going for another now, a woobie one. I think we're all about the sines and the saws today.